Hello everyone! Welcome back ulit to my channel. It's me again, Amelita L. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video ko because I was busy doing my online business. So for today, I am going to share with you some of my recipe which is pinapaitan. So, eto yung aking mga karne, boiled ducks, konting taba na may laman at wala siyang mga atay-atay kasi guys, yung mga atay, mga ganon is matataas ang mga uric acid. So I decided not to put. So let's start. So all the ingredients guys will be on the description. So just check it out and keep on watching. So what I did guys, I boiled this meat first into hot water with lots of ginger and lemongrass to remove the smell of the meat. And I will chop them later when they become soft because I don't like chopping raw meat. So this is how I do. And here's my finished product of Pinapaitan. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy! Yummy, yummy! Kain na! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Please continue to support this channel. Thank you so much, my dear Whitey friends. Bye for now!